Sleep paralysis. Don't be scared, just watch this video. During waking up or falling asleep, a person is aware but unable to move or speak. Is it a disorder? Sleep paralysis is a normal part of the REM sleep. However, it is considered to be a disorder when it occurs outside of REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement sleep. If you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, around 90 minutes of that should be REM. The first period of REM typically lasts 10 minutes. Each of your later REM stages gets longer. REM is important because it stimulates the areas of the brain that help with learning and is associated with increased production of proteins. During this, one may feel, hear, or see things that aren't actually there. And it results fear. It lasts less than a couple of minutes. Most people experience sleep paralysis at some point in their life. It is believed to have played a role in the creation of stories about alien abduction and other paranormal events. It is just believed. It is usually caused by a disconnect between mind and body. We'll discuss later how we can improve mind-body synchronization. What you might experience. Some humming or hissing, zapping and buzzing noises are reported during this. Sometimes voices and roar are also experienced. Some hallucinations like a creature suffocating or terrifying the individual, accompanied by a feeling of pressure on one's chest and difficulty breathing. Another example involves a shadowy figure entering one's room or walking outside the window. Someone pushing you down, someone is in the room, sweating, and other things usually happen during this. You might be saying, "Oh yes, this happened with me." It happens with most people. Brain plays a big role here. Try avoiding blue light prior to sleep. Ensure room temperature is kept low. It can help in better night's rest. It is not physically harmful, and it can be prevented. Everyone heard tales about sleeping paralysis. Right now, we'll discuss the tips for better sleep and how can we prevent sleep paralysis. But before that, if you're enjoying this video, subscribing to our channel would be amazing. Let's discuss about the tips for good sleeping hygiene. Keep your bedtime and wake-up time consistent, even on holidays and weekends. Make a comfortable sleep environment with suitable bedding and sleepwear. And a clean, dark and cool bedroom. Now I want to sleep. Reduce light exposure in the evening and use nightlight for bathroom. Get good daylight exposure during waking hours. Avoid napping after 3 p.m. and longer than 90 minutes. Try avoiding heavy evening meals or eating within 2 hours of going to the bed. Don't sleep with the lights or television on. Not even phone. Abstaining from evening alcohol or caffeine products will help. Exercise daily but not within 2 hours of bedtime. Do some calming activities in the bedtime ritual, like reading or listening to relaxing music will surely help. Try watching calming nature videos. Put phone and other devices away from you, or if possible then outside the room. Practice meditation or regular prayer. It's really helpful. Don't sleep on back. Understanding the physiology of sleep is the important step to overcome it. Now here are bonus tips to prevent sleep paralysis. Reduce stress from life. Play outdoor games if possible, else play relaxing games or try to draw something. Make beautiful sketches. Add more colors in your life. Learn more, upgrade your skills. Get sufficient rest, as much as your body needs. Yoga and breathing exercises will help you in this aspect. If you find yourself experiencing sleep paralysis on more than a periodic basis, visit your doctor to see if you might have an underlying condition. Tell them if you've ever had any other sleep disorder, and let them know about any medications and supplements you're currently taking. And everything will be alright. Don't worry. This is for today. Keep watching our video and stay updated. Please like our video, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification, and never miss an update. Thanks.